gentlemen, friends, cats, Labradors, Beagles and pet guinea pigs. My name is Matt Healey and my friend Raymond and I have got some poems, stories and songs for you all. Raymond wanted to write some poems about little baby girls, mighty merviews, bananas who think it's too hot to wear pyjamas, doing bombs in the swimming pool and the meaning of life. I wanted to read some poems about the noise our stupid fridge makes in the kitchen, my magic tricks that send Auntie Lily into outer space, why my pet guinea pig can ride rollerblades, and how come whenever Dad cooks a biscotti bolognese we have to hear about it for the rest of the year. Anyway, we got together, Raymond and I, so listen up close and please don't cry. Read along, sing along, laugh when it's funny. We'll start at the beginning when I was safe and warm in Mummy's tummy. That was a long time ago. Riding in your tummy, kick, kick, lickety-split, roll and rock, it's a pretty tight fit. Deep in a soul, my soul and your soul, my whole room, your womb is rumbling. Gurgle, gurgle, burp, burp, slurp, slurp, thump, thump, jump. I'm a lump in your tummy, oh mummy. I'm just like that bug in that rug, snug. Placenta and membrane, let's have one last hug. It's time to shoot through, I'm pulling the plug. It's bright out here. Wow, golly gee, whiz fizz, and here I am. 9 months in the cooker and I'm done like a dinner. Turn down those lights. Somebody hit a dimmer. 9 months floating in a bag full of water. You should have seen me at 3 months. Like a cashew nut, only smaller. I couldn't see much and it was all curled up and comfy, floating on fluid. Little phantom head, eyes are fluttering, a skeletal skinny grinning ninny, nodding on the video screen, around and around while you watched on the ultrasound. Later on, I found out from an Oprah Winfrey special called I Play My Fetus Mozart, and now the kid wears wigs, that the grown embryo can hear talking and music and all sorts of noise. I loved you then and I could only hear you. Now there you are in the bright white light, and I love you more, and we've only just begun. I want to suck and drill and chew, get my gums into plastic rubber or a shoe. I want to lick and salivate, gnash and gnaw, wrap my mouth around chair legs and knobs on doors. I want to swallow, but for now, I'll just suck. Suck like a sucker, all day sucker, all night sucker on the bars of my cot. I'm a sucker for sucking, give me more, I'll take the lot. Crawling gets me round. Why should I sleep when I can crawl? Driving my parents up the wall. While I still, I can waddle like a bug, dribbling and giggling, gobbling up the rug. Crawling gets me round. Round and around and around. Why should I help when you're tying on the nappy? Look at me squirming, but trust me, I'm happy. I want to stretch, but I don't know why. I want to scream and choke and cry, but crawling gets me round. Round and around and around. Round the lounge and into the hall. fix me? I'm stuck against the wall. Stalled at the wall. Watch me crawl, watch me crawl. So happy I can crawl. Mommy says, Daddy says, Mommy says, Daddy says. Mommy says she's a teapot. Daddy says he's a dog named Spot. Uncle Eric and Auntie Macca say the man in the moon eats cheese sticks and Jats crackers. And Cousin Bernard's a whacker. Mommy says, Daddy says, Mommy says, Daddy says. Mommy says she's an incy-wincy spider. And Daddy says he's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Auntie Jack and Uncle Phil went up the hill for 2 Cokes, a dozen chicken nuggets, filet fish, ham, eggs and burgers. And Cousin Bernard's a Sherpa. Everest, Kosciuszko Mama. Everest, mountain top daddy. Climb every mountain, ford every stream. Mummy shows me rainbows and Daddy catches moonbeams and falling stars and puts them in his pocket and never fades away. Bongo, 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 Mrs. Ginsberg ain't no drongo. Bongo, 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 hongo, tongo, up the mighty Congo. Keep Kylie, forget Diane Fergie, I know who I love. Mrs. Edna Ginsbergy, bongo, bongo, Mrs. Ginsberg don't pongo. I long for your songs and your strict rights and your wrongs and your beach bum thongs and your voice in the mornings. Just before show and tell and just after our tables. And if you can ask me now, I can tell you that 8 8s are 64, 9 4s are 36 and 8 7s are 56. Bongo, 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 bongo. When I was in grade 2, my teacher, Mrs. Edna Ginsberg, changed my life. She didn't want me to be a little teapot, short and stout, and she wore a Bart Simpson hat. And that afternoon, she told us that Ozzy Ostrich and the Lion King were working in a fish and chip shop next to our local milk bar. Do-da, yabba dabba do-da, do-da, dee-dee-dee. Oh, Mrs. G, you were the best mind of my generation, dragging our lunch boxes through the tuck shop and at dawn looking for an angel-headed prip boy who had raided the pie warmer and thrown up on the Kraft cheese slices. That afternoon we let you sleep and finished our fruit bowls made of icy pole sticks. To a snail. Snail, snail, little snail, can you speak, silent beast of the garden? Can you chortle, chatter or squeak? No, you have no tongue. Mosquito, 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 pesky poodle of the sky, exotic creature from the swamp and by the sea, not for you a PhD. No, no, you have no brains. carrot. Carrot, carrot, mighty red stick of the earth. Are you boiled, steamed, baked or battered? Wok, fried, sliced, juiced or diced? Are you soggy? You usually are. Dad, I can't breathe. Dad? Dad? I can't get free. You're squashing my legs. It's 3:30. I know I said I couldn't sleep, but that was at 9 o'clock last night. I've been asleep since 9:30 and you haven't stopped talking. I've heard the Stones and Mons Lavat in 73 after you and Annie swam naked in the Yarra, and later drank scotch and sodas with Keith and Mick at some party in North Corwin story. I hear it every February. Yes, I know you watch them walk on the moon after taking 7 for 22 against Billy Sutherland's team from across the creek, and the last guy he cleaned bowled with a Yorker, and his name was Armstrong. You and Armstrong, and his brother was named Buzz. Buzz Armstrong, Neil Armstrong, Jack Dyer, Bob Dyer, Dolly Dyer, Dye, Charles and Dye, Skinny Dye, Tie Dye, Easy Dye, Suits and Ties, Captain Bligh, Blowfly, cry like a baby, I need your loving. And if loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Right, Dad? Today, after school, in the lounge room, in front of the television after my third bowl of rice bubbles, I ate a piece of toast. That was the best piece of toast, the perfect piece of toast. Thick and lightly toasted toast, butter running down my chin toast, just enough crust toast, fluffy fresh toast. Today toast. Tomorrow we try those new crumpets.
Michael Hutchence got a brand new Beagle.
Hot tub hippie parties.
In a city, drippy Smarties.
Make me twist and crawl.
Shake and shimmy.
Jacuzzi dancing like a Labrador in the sunset.
Do you know that Polacco is Italian for no future?
Do you know that Buzz Aldrin was the first man to wet his pants on the moon?
If there are dogs in space,
why do we put them in kennels? Slater, Suburban dentist. After the sugary and chocolatey enemies of my youth wobble no longer, I straddle your slippery seat once again, and you pick and prod and poke and pump and drill and fill and joke and bump. On the monkey bars of my mind, there are no Cadbury show bags, no silver foil, no ejections making my lip flip flap in the wind, making me dribble when I nibble. How many fillings does the tooth fairy have? Love poem for Nurse Ingrid. Oh, Ingrid. And I fell off the roof and took my brother with me and sprained my ankle and broke my coccyx and fractured my daddy's turban. I never dreamed you would be waiting. Through the shimmering haze of anesthetic vision, I remember well your loving smile, your starched stockings. I remember your stupid upside-down watch. After the operation, you fed me jelly through a straw. You bathed me, washed me, bathed me, washed me, bathed me, washed me, I was clean. And when I fell down the hospital stairs and took Mrs. Limbo with me, you fed her through a straw. But you did not bathe her. You didn't wash her. You used all the soap on me. Slip, slop, slap, down at Shelley Beach. Peace, peace. She is not sunburned. She has awakened in a t-shirt. It is red. Pole vaulting in the 1994 Commonwealth Games in Vancouver. What I don't understand about pole vaulting is the enormous, fantastic, ridiculous and gigantic difference between knowing how to pole vault and not knowing how to pole vault. Coolangatta, Caringbah, wah, wah, wah. Lay my brand new beach towel down, down, down. It is too big for a bath. Let us greet the day in shorts and thongs. Let us scorch our bodies in murky rock pools. The sweet summer sea washes me clean like a flathead. I'm alive. No work, no job. I have sand in my eyes. A wet bird never flies at night, or what is the meaning of life? Where are we going? What is the meaning of life? Backwards, that is, F.L. Foginemet. Pretty weird, yarra yarra youngsters, look out! 'Cause money makes the world go round and around and around. Well, this Ferris wheel is stonkered, cream crackered, carry packet. There's a face in every window, but only some of them are clean. What did that mean? Look out for the prowlers and the cheats and the lawn bowlers in the heat, and the nimble pikelet-covered tongues will be flapping on their gums, and they will beat you with their mats, and they will fan you with their hats, and you'll taste a bit of fruit cake, and you'll play bingo in the clubhouse. There's a face in every window, but only some of them are clean. What did that mean? What does anything mean? What is this thing called life, or as they say in outer space? The bars. I must go down to the seas again, to the salty seas I love. But wait, seashore scavengers. Wait, bronze buddies. I cannot. My heart is elsewhere. My bathers belong at the bars. Oh, the bars. Give me the sweet smell of chlorine. I float to the happy sound of toddlers toddling, toilets crying out to be used. Oh, the bars. Don't talk to me of golden sands, rolling surfs, or ridiculous glass-bottomed boats. You can keep your Maudie Alex, your Manleys and your Toot Garoots. I am allergic to scuba divers, blue-ringed octopus, octopi, octopasty. Do not fascinate me. I cannot ride a windsurfer. Lovers should be, could be, would be lovers. Lovers would. Lovers from Tullamarine and Mascot. Wake up, go home, catch a bus, it's no good. Love is never having to eat Brussels sprouts. Oh, hunky-dunky, lovers fly high, reach for the sky, you are the goose. On the wings of a turtle, on the wings of a dove, like a pulsating drum bird, in the combi of love.
Days by the ocean,
In the steamy, sensual river cave of my mind,
I stumble,
I stagger,
I stammer,
like some crazy old South Korean circus clown.
lost,
Lifeless,
lonely,
laconically lazy,
marooned, marooned.
I'm on a lagoon.
I am an island.
I am an isthmus.
I come from Bermuda.
I don't believe in Christmas.
I wait.
I watch.
Look out, sinister holy man.
Look out, all righteous Bolshevik.
I care no more for your petty problems.
I make my own decision.
Today,
We laugh.
we joke.
We chitter, chatter, chitter.
But tomorrow,
Tomorrow I go to Philippi.